Wow! Tall. Oo. Wow. Girls.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Beautiful.
The emotion of the artist.
No?
So deep.
Guys, tingnan niyo to.
Ang galing talaga ng artist na gumawa niyan. Galing, sobrang talino talaga.
Oo, kasi 'di ba, yung pineapple maraming ice.
Yeah.
Tapos itong sunglasses nilalagay sa ice. Ginagamit. Ang galing.
Galing.
Wow.
Thrifty.
Galing. I have to
Sobrang
take
galing
some.
nito. Friends, look at this. Ooh! Ang ganda! Nice.
This is just brilliant. My gosh.
Grabe no, ang simple pero solid yung statement eh. Nakahubad lang, tapos sombrero.
I think ito ang pinakamagandang obra.
I agree. I agree.
Tama ka dyan.
Honestly.
Whoa! Wait.
Wow! Ito ang pinaka-solid na art sa lahat. Ito talaga, oh.
Ito na yung museum na may pinakamadaming obra maestra.
Yes.
Like, I've seen a lot, but this, oh, wow.
I mean, diba, you hide evil, tas may galing!
The anger of this artist.
Oo.
Wow. Can I join?
Guys, kasama pa ba to sa ano?
Hindi siguro naman. I'm sure na hindi naman magkakaroon ng t-shirt kung hindi yan kasama, no?
Probably pati ito sapatos siguro, no? Kasi may mga sapatos, eh.
Oo eh.
It's art.
Actually, namamangha ako sa art na to eh. Paano nila na... I think...
Diba?
Pero how
So
do you-
mind-boggling. It's so deep.
Siya ma-
Yeah, tama.
It's so deep. The glitter, the shoes,
And how it speaks to female and
freedom.
What's that? Narinig niyo yun?
Ayun. Yan.
Uy!
Oh my God!
Sorry. Sige. Sorry. Ay!
Sorry again.
Dali. May nakita ako.
How about let's take
You know this, painting? Okay siya, you know?